Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm doing a video about replacing my grip on my tennis racket. I'll be trying out the Wilson Shock Shield Hybrid replacement grip. They claim to have a hybrid of PU and Iso-Zorb gel, and it claims to have less shock, gives it a plush feel without a cushy feel. So you still get a firm grip and all the benefits of having less shock going up into your arm if you have arm problems or want to prevent injury of arm problems. Even though I have a brand new grip on this racket, it seems very thin, and this Wilson is going to give me an extra layer of protection from shock going up into my arm. Start removing the electrical tape and start peeling back the original grip. I like the fact that it isn't so tacky and there's not much glue to remove from the wood handle. And you just take it down, keep going, and it's fastened at the end with a small staple. And you just pull it apart. And it has, I guess, this plastic wrap here, I guess, to protect the handle from moisture. Just remove that. I'll remove the staple that was holding down the original grip. This grip is definitely a little bit heavier. I didn't measure it, but if you're into needing a heavier grip to help balance out the racket, this grip will add a little bit of weight. Peeling back the tape here, and there goes the strip of blue gel. Now I'll start with the tapered edge near the bottom of the racket, peel back the tape, and start applying it. Now this Prince racket has a pretty aggressive flare on the butt cap, and that's just the way this type of racket is. Some aren't as aggressive, so this made starting out the grip a little bit tricky and may not be the prettiest thing I've ever done. Now when I get past the flare of the butt cap, it started to go on nice and smooth and even, and you just line up the ridges It's pretty straightforward, wrapping it up all the way to the top, just keeping the grip lined up with the edges, and it falls into place without creating lumps. Now when you get to the end, I'll be taking a pair of scissors and angling off the end piece. This way it'll wrap around the top. Now I take their piece of tape, or you could use electrical tape. That'll work just fine. I'll make sure it's secured. I'll press down, make sure the glue on the grip is making contact. Now I've played with this racket for a while, and it definitely does mute and dampen the racket. That's a good thing if you have arm problems or you want to prevent injuries. It does give it a different feel. It's almost like putting a dampener in the strings. So if you don't like that feeling, then this is probably not the type of grip for you. Other than that, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and check out my other videos. I'll see you later. Thanks.